How we recurl bouncy hairs. So I would advise you don't use a curling iron. Curling irons are just a quick fix. Like if you have an event tomorrow, you use a curling iron and then you get your curls, but then before 24 hours it falls off. So I advise you use the plastic recurlers, or rollers rather. So let's get started. This is the hair before we started curling. This is a bouncy hair that has lost its curls. So first you get a tail comb, a spray bottle, then a holding spray. This is the one we used at the store. So yeah, this is the plastic recurlers. This is what we use, nothing else. This is all we use to recurl our hairs. So first of all, you need to section your hair, then spray your water. Use this tail comb to detangle everything. Just detangle it so that it will be straight, then you start rolling. So I know these rollers, they have pins, but we don't use the pins. Rather, we use rubber bands because they hold the hairs to the rollers even better. So this is it all done now, and we keep it outside under the sun for 5 days, at least 5 days. So this is it after we took off the rollers. This is what it looks like now. So please don't use that curling iron, because when you use curling iron, it falls off like within 24 hours. So it's usually just a quick fix, but this one will last you longer. You can see how the curls are all back. It's now all bouncy, bouncy and nice. This is the front of the hair. So it's as simple as this. You can do this in your house, in your bathroom. You can do it yourself, or if you don't have the time, give it a stylist to recurl for you.